Welcome back to Britology. Today we're diving into a world of rolling mansions, jaw-dropping innovation, and levels of comfort that redefine what it means to travel. Forget what you think you know about road trips or caravans, because the motorhomes of 2026 are on another level entirely. These aren't just vehicles. They're luxury penthouses on wheels, fitted with technology, design, and amenities that rival the most extravagant five-star hotels. So buckle up, because we're counting down the top 10 most luxurious motorhomes of 2026. You won't believe actually exist. At number 10, we begin with the Volkner Performance S 26 edition. This German-engineered masterpiece is more than just a motorhome. It's a statement of wealth and innovation. At first glance, it looks sleek and modern, but the magic happens inside. The interior is customizable with high-end Italian leather, oak or walnut finishes, and a kitchen worthy of a Michelin chef. What makes this beast stand out is its hidden garage beneath the motorhome itself. Yes, you can drive a Porsche or Ferrari into the belly of your RV and take it with you wherever you go. The 2026 edition includes an upgraded smart home system integrated into the cabin, voice-activated lighting, and climate controls that adapt to your preferences. The price tag is well over $2 million. But if you're bringing your sports car along for the ride, you probably won't be worried about the bill. Sliding into number 9, we have the Marchi Mobile Elegance Palazzo Superior. This one looks like it's been driven straight out of the future and into your neighborhood. Its unique spaceship-like design is a head-turner everywhere it goes. Inside, it offers a 40-inch retractable TV, a rooftop cocktail lounge that expands at the touch of a button, and a master bedroom that puts most boutique hotels to shame. The standout feature for the 2026 update is its advanced AI-assisted driving system, which can handle long highway stretches almost autonomously. Imagine sipping champagne in your leather recliner while your motorhome smoothly cruises down the motorway. With a price hovering around $3 million, it's not just transport, it's a luxury lifestyle statement. Number 8 takes us to the Featherlight Vantere Platinum Plus, one of the most opulent creations in the United States. This motorhome is practically a rolling palace. The interior is dripping with marble, Swarovski crystals, and Italian leather, while the floors are heated and the cabinetry is handcrafted from rare woods. One of the most jaw-dropping features is the rare Inca marble bathroom suite, paired with a jacuzzi tub. For 2026, the Platinum Plus has incorporated augmented reality windows. Yes, the windows themselves can display real-time maps, weather, and entertainment, turning your journey into a futuristic experience. With a price tag that soars above $2.5 million, it's an example of American extravagance at its finest. Coming in at number 7, the Liberty Coach Fairfax Edition 2026. Known for producing some of the most technologically advanced coaches in the world, Liberty has gone above and beyond with this edition. The Fairfax boasts a 360-degree surround camera system, self-leveling suspension for maximum comfort, and a massive interior featuring 2 expandable slide-outs for extra space. But the highlight for 2026 is its off-grid capability. With massive solar panels, battery banks, and water purification systems, the Fairfax allows its owners to enjoy luxury living, even in the most remote locations. It's a motorhome designed for those who want to travel the world in elegance, but without sacrificing independence or sustainability. At number 6, we meet the Newmar King Aire 2026. Newmar has long been associated with luxury RVs, but this year's King Aire pushes the boundaries further. It features heated porcelain tile floors, a built-in fireplace, a king-sized bed, and one of the most advanced driver assistance systems in the industry. For 2026, Newmar has introduced an ultra-quiet hybrid engine option, reducing noise and emissions while still delivering raw power. The King Aire is perfect for anyone who wants a blend of traditional comfort with futuristic technology. Prices start at around $1.5 million, but the experience of living inside feels priceless. Halfway through at number 5, the Concord Centurion 1200. Built on a Mercedes Actros chassis, this motorhome is basically a 5-star hotel on wheels. It features 3 separate living zones, a spacious lounge, a gourmet kitchen, and a luxurious bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. For 2026, Concorde has added panoramic, smart glass windows that can shift from transparent to opaque at the push of a button, giving you instant privacy or breathtaking views. The Centurion 1200 Also boasts an integrated garage for a small car, making it a perfect choice for travelers who demand both luxury and practicality. At number 4, we encounter the Prevost H345, 5P 2026 edition. Prevost is synonymous with elegance, often used as the base for celebrity tour buses, and the 2026 VIP takes things to a new level. With a ceiling height of over 7 feet, it feels spacious and airy inside. The interior can be completely customized from cinema rooms to spa-like bathrooms. The most impressive upgrade in 2026 is its immersive entertainment suite, complete with holographic projection and ultra-high-definition surround sound. This motorhome is designed not just for travel, but for pure indulgence on the road. Number 3 on our list is the Ketterer Continental 1200. This motorhome is particularly famous among motorsport enthusiasts, as it's designed to carry both you and your high-end sports car in one stunning package. The rear garage has space for vehicles like a Lamborghini or Aston Martin, while the living quarters above rival the finest apartments in Monaco. The 2026 edition comes with an extended Sky Lounge terrace that folds out from the side of the coach, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying sunsets. With flawless German craftsmanship and meticulous detail, the Ketterer Continental is the ultimate blend of luxury, travel, and automotive passion. Runner-up at number 2 is the Anderson Mobile Estates 2026 double-decker. This creation is less of a motorhome and more of a traveling mansion, designed for Hollywood celebrities and billionaires. This 2-story luxury bus features multiple bedrooms, a private office, a full-size kitchen, and even a rooftop patio. The highlight for 2026 is its full smart integration. Everything from curtains to security can be controlled from your smartphone or voice commands. The sheer scale and grandeur of this vehicle make it one of the most exclusive motorhomes in existence. It's not just transport, it's a luxury residence that happens to move. Finally, at number 1, we have the Marchi Mobile Palazzo Royale 2026 edition. If luxury could be distilled into a single motorhome, this would be it. This motorhome is an evolution of the Palazzo Superior, but it pushes every element to its extreme. The Royal Edition includes a marble-floored spa bathroom, a master suite with a walk-in wardrobe, and a sky lounge that expands to become a rooftop party space. Its AI co-pilot makes driving feel effortless, and the integrated security system ensures absolute privacy wherever you park, with a rumored price exceeding $5 million. The Palazzo Royale is currently the most expensive and luxurious motorhome in the world. These vehicles aren't just about getting from point A to point B. They're about traveling in a way that blends exploration with opulence. From hidden garages and rooftop lounges to augmented reality windows and AI navigation, the motorhomes of 2026 prove that the future of road travel is more extravagant than most of us could have ever imagined. Whether you dream of cruising the countryside in style or hosting a private party in the middle of nowhere, these rolling palaces show that with enough imagination and a few million in the bank, anything is possible.